Okay, this is your next lesson, Rhiannon by Fleetwood Mac. It's not the whole song, it's just a little part of it. But I think it's good for somebody just beginning. So let's get started. Okay, Erin Smith here, and you're ready to learn Rhiannon, or at least a little bit of it. Here we go. A note. Just A note. F. Dun, dun, dun. A. So it's pretty easy. It's just dun, 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 dun. F. A. Dun, dun, dun. F. So there's the left hand. Right hand is going to go like this. A little tricky, but you can get onto it. Just keep practicing. And remember to always watch the upper keyboard. And watch the notes and always watch out. It'll help you a lot better in the long run. So here's the right hand. There's the trickiest part. Okay, both of them together. Well, see, the reason why I'm not telling you the notes because they're up there. So I'll play it again real slow. Okay, that's your little tune there. So, Rhiannon, just practice it and stay with it. You'll catch on. And then now, okay, Erin's back with a sample of your next lesson and 5 sample songs that you'll be learning in the future. Your next lesson is going to be a Sonny and Cher song, believe it or not. Here we go. Yeah, Sonny and Cher. That's going to be your next lesson. Okay, and then songs in the future, I'll give you 5 sample songs that you'll be learning. And here's another one that sounds similar to the Sonny and Cher. It's played the same kind of way, but it's a totally different song. It's called The Mountain of Love. Standing on the corner looking down from the city, the way I feel is a doggone pretty. Moonlights are shining on the mountain top. Wedding bells are ringing, I should have been. And if you notice, it's basically the same. So that's the song you're going to be learning. And another song you're going to be learning is called Hold Me Now. You can probably remember this song by the Thompson Twins. It goes, I have a picture into my wall, an image of you and of me, and we're laughing and loving it all. Yes, Hold Me Now by the Thompson Twins. So here's another one you'll be learning. I Am the Walrus by the Beatles. That's another one you'll be learning. I Am the Walrus. And then Lucky Man, you're going to be learning. He had white horses and ladies by the score, all dressed in satin and waiting by the door. lucky man he was. You'll be learning that. Okay, here's another one. Seasons in the Sun. Goodbye to you, my trusted friend. We've known each other since we were 9 or 10. Together we climb hills and trees. Okay, there you go. That's so you got your next lesson and your 5 sample songs of songs you'll be learning in the future. So hit that subscribe button, and we got a lot of good songs ahead. So see you later.
I think I'll go get me a 12-pack.